And the race is on. Batong Silyar. No money, no honey. Princess Jacqueline on the inside. Miss Chanel is racing from the outside, getting better. Saint Lipat McDollar. And 1A War Alert is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600. No money, no honey. By Sam Tolengs, followed by Batong Silyar. Miss Chanel racing in third from the outside. Princess Jacqueline racing in fourth. And running in fifth by some 6 lengths, getting better. Last 450. No money, no honey. By some 2 lengths, followed by Batong Silyar from the outside. Miss Chanel racing in third by some 4 lengths. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. No money, no honey, followed by Batong Silyar. And getting better from the outside. And nearing the finish line, number 5. No money, no honey. Getting better. Number 1, Batong Silyar, Saint Lipat. Miss Chanel, McDollar, 1A War Alert, and Princess